Hi friends, welcome back to our new episode of Government Jobs for Engineers Job Series Indian Engineering Service IES Examination 2021 through UPSC. The Union Public Service Commission UPSC is India's premier central recruiting agency for public servants. It is responsible for appointments to and examinations for all India services and Group A and Group B posts under Civil Services Cadre and Defence Service Cadre of central government. Union Public Service Commission has issued notification to invite application from eligible Indian citizen for direct recruitment of 215 engineering posts through Engineering Service Prelim Exam 2021. UPSC has released the notification for recruitment of Group A and Group B posts under Engineering Services for Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. In this recruitment, following engineering category can apply: mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers and electronics and telecommunication engineers. For details, please see the video fully. You are watching Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From this channel, every day 10 a.m. we will upload new government jobs for engineers, and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now let us see the details of the opportunity. Categories of posts and number of vacancies. There are 4 categories can apply for this opportunity. Category 1 civil engineering, category 2 mechanical engineering, category 3 electrical engineering, category 4 electronics and telecommunication engineering. Number of vacancies for these categories are 215. Posts that are eligible for category 1 civil engineering students are Central Engineering Services, Central Engineering Service Roads Group A Civil Engineering Post, Survey of India Group A Surveying Service, AW Civil in Border Road Engineering Service, Indian Defence Service of Engineers, AE QS and C in MES Surveyor Cadre, Central Water Engineering Group A Service, etc. For mechanical engineering students can apply for AEE in GSI Engineering Service Group A, Indian Defence Service of Engineers, Indian Naval Armament Services, Indian Naval Material Management Services, Central Water Engineering Group A Service, Indian Skill Development Service, Defence Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Service, etc. And category 3 electrical engineering students can join on the post like Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Services, Indian Defence Service of Engineers, Indian Naval Material Management Service, Central Power Engineering Service, Indian Naval Armament Service, Defence Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, Central Power of Engineering Service Group B, etc. And final category electronics and telecommunication engineering students can join the post like Indian Radio Regulatory Service Group A, Indian Telecommunication Service Group A, Indian Naval Armament Service, Indian Naval Material Management Service, Junior Telecom Officer Group B, Defence Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, etc. Centers for Engineering Service Preliminary Examination are shown on screen. There are lots of centers for attending Central Engineering Service Prelim Examination, and there are lots of center for attending Engineering Service Main Examination also. You can watch the center details on the screen. Pay and allowances for the posts are various categories have various pay and allowances. Anyway, mainly they have 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus other allowances are for majority of posts. Application fee 200 for general and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD female candidates. Age limit is 21 to 30 years on the 1st January 2021. Final year students, those who have completed 21 years of age also can apply for this post. Selection procedure. The selection procedure will consist of 3 stages. Stage 1 Engineering Service Preliminary or Stage 1 examination, objective type of papers for the selection of candidates for the Stage 2 examination. The engineering preliminary exam stage 1 will consist of 2 objective type question paper and carrying maximum 500 marks. Paper 1 200 mark and paper 2 300 mark. There will be penalty negative marking for wrong answers marked by a candidate in the objective type question paper. Stage 2 Engineering Services main or stage 2 examination conversion type papers and the engineering service stage 2 main exam will consist of 2 convention type papers in engineering discipline with a duration of 3 hours and maximum marks of 600, 300 marks in each paper. Stage 3 is personality test. How to apply? The interested candidates with qualifications may apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 27th April 2021 6 pm. If applicants are wish to withdraw the application due to any reasons, they can be withdrawn it from 4th May to 10th May till 6 pm, after which the link will be disabled. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Detailed notification link also I will provide on the description. You can see the syllabus in detailed notification. That's all for today's job news. From Engineering Jobs for You, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.